Hey guys, it's your girl Lexi. I am 16 years old with a syndrome called Danny Walker syndrome. I wanted to start this YouTube channel to show the world being different is incredible. Stay savage, don't be average. She's an 8-week-old Bernedoodle, which is a Bernese Mountain Dog Poodle mix. She kinda is bad, but she is so cute.
Indy.
She's eating right now. I love her. I'm going to try to make her as my service dog.
Izzy, what do you think? Speak if you like her. Speak. Nope, not so sure. Bobby, what do you think of Indy? Not so much? Let's see. I give you a thumbs up, Indy. I give you a thumbs up. So what are you going to teach her, Lex?
Good girl.
So we've had her for a day and a half and Lexi has taught her how to sit so far, huh, Lex?
Yes.
What else are you going to teach her?
How to shake.
Okay.
Lay down.
She gets to meet Louie tonight, huh? You get to meet... Oh, actually, I don't think Louie's going to be there tonight. Hey, Lex.
I just wanted to show you guys my new puppy. Stay savage.